4 reasons why crop diversity safeguards food security. Have you ever stopped to think about the incredible variety of fruits, veggies, and grains that make up our meals? From the vibrant colors of a farmer's market to the diverse flavors that dance on our taste buds, crop diversity plays a crucial role in ensuring our food security. But what exactly does that mean? Well, it means having a wide range of different crops available to us, each with its own unique characteristics and abilities. And let me tell you, it's not just about having an exciting menu. Crop diversity is like an insurance policy for our food supply. In this video we'll explore the reasons why crop diversity is not just a fancy term, but a fundamental pillar of food security. Trust me, you'll soon discover how important it is to have a cornucopia of crops at our disposal. 1. Resilience to climate change. Diverse crops are the ultimate survivors when it comes to dealing with the ever-changing climate. Different crops have different superpowers. Some can tolerate scorching heat like a boss, while others thrive in cooler temperatures. This incredible diversity gives us an edge when facing the unpredictable challenges brought on by climate change. Imagine a world where we rely solely on one type of crop. If a heat wave hits, it could spell disaster for that particular crop, leaving us with empty fields and growling stomachs. But thanks to the rich tapestry of crop diversity, we have a plan B, C, and even all the way to Z. The real power of crop diversity is evident in the real-world success stories. Take the case of the International Maize and Wheat Improvement Center. They've been developing and distributing diverse maize varieties to farmers around the world. In regions prone to drought, they introduced maize hybrids with improved water use efficiency, enabling farmers to adapt to changing rainfall patterns and reduce crop losses. Another shining example comes from the agroforestry system in Niger, West Africa. Here, farmers have integrated diverse trees and crops on their land, creating a resilient and sustainable farming system. The trees provide shade, reduce soil erosion, and improve water retention, benefiting both the crops and the environment. This approach has transformed once barren landscapes into flourishing food forests, ensuring food security for the local communities. So, the message is clear: crop diversity is a secret weapon against climate change. By embracing a wide range of crops, we equip ourselves with the ability to adapt and thrive, no matter what the weather throws our way. 2. Minimizing disease outbreaks. By planting a variety of crops, we create a natural fortress against potential outbreaks. Think of it as a superhero team with each member having unique abilities to fight off the villains. When we mix things up, pests and diseases find it much harder to take hold because different crops attract different pests or are resistant to specific diseases. It's like having an army of defenders, each holding the ground against a specific threat. One striking example of the power of crop diversity comes from the history books. In the mid-1800s, the Great Irish Famine devastated Ireland's potato crops due to a disease called late blight. The Irish population heavily relied on a single variety of potato, known as the lumper, which was susceptible to the disease. The lack of diversity in their potato crops led to the widespread devastation and immense human suffering. Fast forward to today, and we have learned from that tragic experience. Take the case of modern banana cultivation. The Gros Michel banana variety was once the most popular and widely grown, but it fell victim to a devastating disease called Panama disease. However, by shifting to a different variety called the Cavendish, which is resistant to the disease, farmers were able to keep the banana industry alive and thriving. So, by embracing crop diversity, we build a formidable defense against pests and diseases. We create a complex web of resilience, where if one crop falls, others rise to the occasion, protecting our food supply and ensuring our plates are filled with an abundance of goodness. 3. Nutritional balance and dietary needs. Our bodies are like a complex machine that requires a wide array of nutrients to function at its best. Just like a symphony needs different instruments to create beautiful music, our diets need a variety of crops to provide us with the essential vitamins, minerals, and other goodies that keep us healthy and thriving. When we have access to a diverse range of crops, we can create balanced and nutritious meals. Each crop brings its own unique set of nutrients to the table, and by combining them, we ensure that our bodies receive the full spectrum of what they need. Now, imagine a world where we only had a handful of staple crops. Our plates would become monotonous, lacking the vibrant palette of flavors and nutrients that our bodies crave. Not to mention, if a pest or disease were to attack one of these crops, we'd be left with a gaping hole in our nutritional needs. By embracing crop diversity, we create a vibrant and nutritious food ecosystem that caters to our dietary needs and delights our taste buds. 4. Preserving genetic resources. You see, every crop variety has its own unique set of genes that determine its characteristics, such as flavor, yield, and resistance to pests and diseases. Preserving genetic diversity is like having a treasure trove of options that can unlock the potential for future agricultural advancements. It's preserving the building blocks of our food system. Think of it as having a library filled with books that hold the secrets of countless recipes and innovative solutions. These genetic resources can be used to develop new crop varieties that are more resilient to climate change, have improved nutritional content, or are resistant to emerging pests and diseases. By preserving genetic resources, we ensure that future generations have the tools they need to navigate the ever-evolving agricultural landscape. Imagine a world where we lose certain crop varieties due to neglect or a lack of preservation efforts. It would be like ripping pages out of that precious recipe book, forever losing the potential they hold. We owe it to ourselves and future generations to be custodians of this genetic diversity, safeguarding it for the benefit of all. We really can't underestimate the significance of promoting and maintaining crop diversity. It's not just an abstract concept, it's the foundation of a resilient and sustainable food system. As individuals, let's celebrate diversity on our plates by exploring a variety of crops and supporting local farmers who grow diverse produce. To the farmers, let's embrace crop rotation, intercropping, and agroforestry practices that promote diversity. And policymakers, let's prioritize policies that support research, conservation, and access to diverse crop varieties. Together, we can make a difference. By valuing and protecting the diversity of our crops, we secure a future where no one goes to bed hungry, where resilience reigns, and where the flavors and nourishment of our bountiful earth continue to delight us. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. For a more in-depth look at this topic and many others, please visit us at 4reasonswhy.com. 4reasonswhy.com, articles for everyone.